Hey artists, so if you want to get really complicated on your Pixel Maze Google Sheet, you can add many more colors to it. So notice 1 through 13 has a color assigned to it, but you can assign a color to numbers 14 through, 47 if you really want to get complicated. So to do that, you need to first tell the sheet where these rules will apply. So I'm going to click in this first corner box, 1A, click, and then I'm going to just drag over so that everything is highlighted in this light blue, all the way to this right edge where those boxes mark are the corners. Now I'm going to go back to my conditional formatting menu. So Format, Conditional Formatting, and notice all these rules say text is exactly, and then a number. So I'm going to add another rule. It applies to the range here. And then here, I want to say text is exactly. I'm going to begin with 14 because that's the next number that would come after 13. So I need to change not only the text color, but also the fill color. So say I would like to have a nice pale pink, for example. I need to remember what color I picked for the text, match it for the fill, and then just go ahead and choose Done. Once I close out of the window, I can put it in my answer key here, 14, and it should change into that lovely pale pink. And I can put in my 14 anywhere I would like, and then I can click and drag to fill that 14 and make as big of space as I want there to go ahead and use a new color I created on my own.